again, we're gonna be playing some more EDF because it's fucking fun. And I just had a thought, instead of carrying 2 separate miniguns, why don't I carry 2 miniguns at the same time? That just seems like the right thing to do, because America. Alright. And then
choose loadout.
We're gonna get rid of this thing because it was fucking useless. We got a mortar? Oh. Eh, why not? We'll take it. Sounds like a plan. Let's do it. I'm ready.
To mission.
Ah. Oh Jesus, no, not number 1. Beach fear. Dispatch request to the port area. Enormous creatures known as Ratari have been spotted. You're to go investigate.
Select a difficulty. Deploying.
So, how's it going, guys? I've been really looking forward.
This is headquarters. Exterminate Retarius.
What are you guys
doing?
doing?
An enemy over there. Let's go.
Understood.
Careful, there are webs.
Got it.
We don't need that fucking moaning again. That shit was ridiculous.
What should I take out next?
Does it fire both? Nah, just fire
show you how strong we really are. Yes, sir.
I can fire both. Get the fuck out of the way! Guys, shoot them. That's what you need to do. Well, if you're being pulled in, you should probably shoot the thing that's doing it. Oh my god, the spread on this has gotten so much worse. Is it dead? Oh, come on. Die.
Help me!
Help you? Nothing's happening.
Help me!
I feel like I'm doing the YMCA. Just hold him up here. Alright, let's fuck this guy up. Murder! Hopefully there's no one in that building behind him because they're fucking dead. Oh, that could be a problem.
The enemy is coming. Fire!
I chose poor time to reload. Choose one at a time.
Yes, sir. You're on the way. Ready to fire.
The enemy.
Fuck it, let's just reload.
Yes, sir.
Alright, who the fuck is jizzing through this fucking building? Because you all need to stop.
Gotta swap my magazine, Commander.
Come here, big boy. Because apparently you're the mortal enemy of the wing divers, because your enormous web is not visible ever. Stop it. None of that. You are not pulling me in. You can't do it. Stop it.
Our aircrafts are being stopped by the mothership air defense system and cannot get close. Long-distance attack is our best option.
Sorry, I feel obligated to clear every single web, otherwise my team will just fucking walk into them because they're inept. What am I doing here?
Impact. One mothership destroyed.
We did it.
Okay.
I'm such a slow boy.
We'll get through this together.
Leave it to me.
Leave it to you. I don't feel confident doing that.
Tempest first formation
What the fuck is that
launched.
here? A whole bunch of triangles over here, and I don't know what they are. They have swimming ones? Or is that a spider? The fucking whales?
Tempest is approaching target now.
Fuck you, spiders. There's a lot of you. I think I made a mistake.
Tempest impact. One ship sunk. 2 ships at half damage. Well done!
All right.
Tempest second formation launched.
Fuck you. What the fuck are you? Ah, mouse sensitivity went all fucking
Linear
crazy
cannon
there.
discharged again.
Can we not use the word discharged?
Impact. Wait.
It's
Enemy is
just,
not damaged.
with the current situation, it just doesn't seem fitting. We're a family-friendly channel here. Okay. Ooh, why? Stop! I'm your friend. Where am I going? Oh, this is good. Take me to your leader.
Second formation, impact. Enemy is not damaged.
Fire in that direction. Fuck off, y'all. Go away.
Tempest impact. Still no damage. How can that be?
Maybe because they're not completely fucking inept with their shipbuilding. Maybe, just maybe, they know how to build a spaceship.
I can't move my body!
Can you move your body?
Linear cannon hit. Enemy not damaged.
What's going on?
Maybe they have a shield.
I owe you big!
Maybe, just, you know, maybe.
You bastard!
Moving now.
Die!
The enemy is coming! Get ready!
The enemy is coming. The enemy's already
Tempest
here.
impact. We cannot confirm damage.
World's only hope.
It's a shield screen. They must be protecting the mothership with a shield screen.
With a shield?
What are you so happy
Guys,
about?
they have a shield.
Why'd you get married?
Don't
What?
die on
Couldn't
me.
help it. Leave it to me.
You couldn't help getting married? What kind of pussy are you? You
If
can say
something
no.
happens, don't worry about me. Can't
Do
meet
you
those
wanna go?
expectations.
I didn't care
Linear
about you in the
cannon
first
impact.
place.
Enemy no damage.
Okay. Fuck that truck.
Let's survive.
Splooging everywhere over
No
there.
matter what.
Which way should I go?
I'm ready for battle.
Oh,
Hold on!
I didn't do that.
Enemy is close.
Tempest fifth formation impact. Enemy no damage.
Hut!
It looks like attacks are being obstructed by something like a wall.
Sway!
It is a
Something
shield
like
screen big enough to cover the mothership.
a
What kind of
shield?
technology is this?
To shoot. The enemy is approaching.
Fuck that spider. Kill it, quick. Stop running in front of my guns, please. It's good for your health. Oh, okay.
Don't waste bullets! Draw them in!
No, waste bullets. Shoot in that general direction immediately.
You bastard!
That is an absurd amount of things.
Come this way! Don't come this way!
It's my job to go that way. I'm sorry, mate. We got ants, we got spiders, we got other spiders. Stop shooting my friend with your butt.
It's gonna pull me in.
Nah, you're good.
Prepare for battle!
I'm not gonna help you. You don't have a gun. You're not gonna help us. Thank you, guys.
Enemies in the back are mine!
God, my mouse sensitivity is all over the fucking place. Yes, eat the civilians. That's a good distraction.
The enemy. Don't come this way.
I will. Can't. Whoa. Bye.
Don't come this way. Somebody.
There's little effect at this Yes, sir!
I can't get the thread off. Somebody. Are you over there? Do something.
What if I don't? Oh, you just stop talking. I like that effect. I want the weapons. Give me the weapons. Give me the weapons. You follow me? Don't you shoot me with your poo. We did it, boys. Yay! Good job, guys. You didn't run into spider webs. I'm proud of you. Except the one I mowed down, but we don't talk about him, alright? Got a force blade? What am I, fucking Jedi now? Amazing. Just because I'm curious.
Choose loadout. Fencers can equip 4 weapons.
Combat blade. Jesus Christ. I have to take it just because of the absurdity. I'm doing it. I didn't read how it actually works. I
Choose loadout. Fencers can equip 4 weapons.
Excuse me. Decided to choke on air. It's pretty good. Alright, let's get into the next one.
Select a mission.
This shit's just... Hey! The mothership. Dope. Destroy the giant creature in the city. The Ravager mothership is approaching. The area of our air... What? I know how to read. Our Air Force will engage the ships. Ground troops focus on the creatures. Sounds
Select a
good.
difficulty. Deploying.
Let's do it. Ah! Ready? I got 2 miniguns and a sword. And it's Normandy, apparently. Are they gonna send in giant robots again? This looks really familiar from the first one.
This is live footage. Be
It's a
advised
Death
that what you are
Star!
about to see may be disturbing to some viewers. After 7 years, the Earth is once again
2018,
under
everything's
siege. The
disturbing to
Ravager
everyone.
fleet has split up and motherships are focusing their attacks on major Earth cities. Our time on this Earth, our home, may be at an end.
It's probably for the best. Let's be honest, we're all parasitic assholes here. Medic! By taking healing items, Rangers can heal all the soldiers under their command. I can't, because I'm a fencer, and I shoot my friends in the back and kill them.
I can't.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, alright. I didn't mean to bring the sword out, but we're gonna use it. Yaja! Whoa!
There's a gas
Holy
coming from the sky.
shit,
Let's
yes!
finish cleaning up the Earth's surface.
Fuck you! Fuck you! And you!
One
Fuck
mothership
you.
is closing in on the
Alright.
combat area.
That was fun, but...
A fighter has
Get the fuck outta here.
From the Kirikawa airbase. It's on an intercept course.
Submarine. Launched cruise missile.
Reloading! Back me up!
Sir, yes,
Reloading my
sir!
ammo!
We can't die here.
Can y'all just... I wish I had a fucking rocket launcher of substance so I
Will soon
could
hit a mothership.
level this entire area. Then I don't have to fucking worry about these
We
buildings.
can't lose.
Loading now! Loading!
Need weapon. You wanna go home? Me too.
Failed. The missile hit the shield screen. Mothership suffered no damage.
Maybe try something different. Have you tried an EMP? Yeah, shoot the building. We're not even defending the Earth now. We're just causing property damage.
Fighter. Commencing attack.
You did it!
It's helpless. Obstructed by the shield screen.
It was obstructed by the shield screen.
Yes, sir!
Reload the sword.
Hopefully it'll be nice again tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be nice again tomorrow. Maybe with a smaller chance of giant bugs eating you. Fuck that fence. How many we got? We got 5 total? 4 troops and then the commander?
They're close. Yes, sir!
They're close?
The
What
attack
tells you
failed.
that?
The mothership is unscathed.
Hopefully it'll be nice.
Damn it. If they can put up a shield screen this massive. We were preparing for another attack by the Ravagers.
We
but they
were.
prepared more than us and returned stronger than we imagined.
You know, that kind of fucking makes sense. Because they lost to dude with a
Mothership
rocket
entering
launcher.
combat area.
That's not what I meant to do. Get on. Alright, put the sword away.
Battle is one that I'll win.
Ah.
We haven't been spotted yet.
Fuck everything in that vicinity!
Fire at will! Understood! I'm loading my ammo!
I already am in hell.
Control! What do you say?
Holy fuck. That looks amazing and kind of intimidating.
Load! That's amazing! Loading up!
I know, I just said that. Hey guys.
Go back to outer space.
Easy!
No,
Don't hold
you're
back.
not gonna.
Take 'em
Okay.
down.
Don't make me get my sword out. I'll do it.
We took care of one!
Shut it down.
You took care of one, I took care of most of them. That guy fucked up.
I've been shot. I'm coming to help.
Oh, bye.
The enemy is hit! Don't
I'll bring the medic to you later. Yes, sir.
We'll bring the medic to him later. There's no later.
Leave it to me! You did it! I want to go home!
Have you tried calling an exterminator on these? Like, I feel like it's not EDF's job. These are just really big hands.
Understood!
Yes, sir. Bastards, die.
Yeah, die.
Don't... The enemy is
I didn't mean to reload both.
An enemy nearby!
Good. Why does that sound metallic? Oh, that's why it sounds metallic. Oh, I see.
Where's the enemy?
Guys,
started yet.
there's a giant penis in the sky.
The enemy hasn't found us.
No, I'm pretty sure they found us. can't be confident, but it looks like they're about to penetrate the Earth. Is it firing? It's That looks amazing.
Ranger 5 is in the blast range.
Damn it! Look! It's another ship! So, the bastards finally came back!
They never left, apparently. They're on the moon.
Insects start coming up from the ground. The Ravagers come too. So they were contacting them, huh?
Timeout? The bugs aren't gonna give you a timeout.
Contaminated the Earth.
The fuck is shooting me and from where? Get down.
The Ravager's
shoot this?
method is to release giant insects and to wait while they spread across an entire planet. Maybe the Ravagers...
I'm running out of mouse pad. I can't pull back
chose
anymore.
to take a break in order to get ready for their return, thus allowing time for the Earth to be covered with giant insects.
It's a big red button. It has to be.
Still more.
Fuck.
From the enemy.
I know I have to
Giant
shoot that.
insects are being dropped from the Ravager's transport ship.
At this rate, no one can.
All units exterminate.
Or does
the
it not
giant
want me to
insects.
know this yet? I don't think it wants me to know that information yet.
I'll shoot!
You better shoot, because we're in a fucking
In
bad
that sense,
situation.
The Ravagers came back a bit too soon.
This isn't good. I'm out of ammo.
Too many! Hey, shoot!
I'll shoot later. I don't want to shoot right now.
First destroy the
Sorry.
giant insects. You can take care of the guests from the sky after that.
Oh, Jesus Christ. We're in trouble because we don't have any fucking rockets with us. I decided to bring too many guns and a sword to a spaceship fight. It's the best idea I've ever had, I know. Give me the weapon.
Won't die. This isn't good.
Even if I die, I want the weapon. Fuck. So many.
Just like that.
Leave it to me!
I need to walk forward. Stop. Stop. Don't you do it.
Reloading. Back me up.
Don't you pick me up, you little asshole. I need to shoot the other gun now.
Let's go.
The
Flying
fucking...
drones are being deployed from the mothership. It looks like the ground units will be attacked.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir!
Alright.
This
Boys.
is Strategic Command Headquarters. Flying drones are coming. Retreat. Hurry.
I would love to retreat. Is this an actual thing, or is it just murder everything and then we'll leave?
This is Ranger 8. The flying drones followed us. We're fighting them now. Send support!
Get the fuck out of here. Wow.
Ranger
Fuck
8 is
him
battling
up.
the enemy. Go back them up.
Dude, I'm like an AA gun. I just realized. Fucking fire both of them.
Ranger 8, Storm Team is on their way to rescue you.
Oh, we're on our way to rescue you? Oh, okay.
Ranger
Ow.
8, Roger. They're coming this way.
Ah. Just reload both the guns. I'm just gonna keep running.
Just like we planned.
I think there's some blue blobs over here. Wow. Holy fuck. Fire all the guns. Jesus Christ. Am I even hitting anything? Or is there just so many that they just don't care about my bullets? Oh, this is really bad. Holy fuck. Team! They're down the fucking alley. They're down the fucking block. They're just like, fuck you, boy. You don't have to outrun them. You just have to outrun you. Oh, you dick. That's the truth. Come here. Who are you? I gotta fucking shoot you.
Mass fire.
Understood!
Attack. Bring it on. Reloading. That's one.
Ah! Jesus Christ, these things are really fucking weak, though.
I'm out of ammo. It's working.
I'm out of health.
Let me at him.
Yeah, fucking turn around and shoot them then. That's all you need to do.
It's big enough to
Pretty shit, but there's a lot of them, and I have no health.
We got one. Who's there?
Backpedal! Backpedal!
Let me at him.
Ah! Health! Gimme! Come here! You glorious bastard!
Attack.
I will murder you. I don't. You're somewhere over here. Gotcha.
Make sure to watch
You guys
my
are
back.
dicks.
No.
Yes.
Make sure to watch my back.
Fuck that guy. Oh, that was amazing. Alright, let's stop that one there. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's getting chaotic. I'm concerned.